Annalise, that sounds like a really cool deal. That is a situation that, I know I don't ever want to find myself in, but it would be nice to have that.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely, yeah. The options with technology these days, Karen, it's really cool. For today, we have got a better forecast, I'm happy to say. Some drier air continues to fill in across the region. Blue sky as we take the view from around Frisco. Really nice looking midday, and it doesn't feel too bad out there. Of course, we're warming up. 87 is the temperature from DFW Airport, but the humidity staying lower does make a difference, so it's a little bit easier to be out and about right now. Dew point of 62 as opposed to low 70s like we were seeing this time yesterday. South winds are up to 11 miles per hour. They'll stay pretty light, but with more of that south wind returning today, the humidity is picking up a little bit down to the south and to the southwest. You see Stephenville, Hamilton, Comanche, low 70s, a little bit muggy for you, but the majority of us are still enjoying the lower humidity, checking in on those dew points in the low 60s through the Metroplex, and then certainly back out east of I-35 and closer to the Red River. So what does that mean? It means that it just makes it feel a little more comfortable to be out there, a little more pleasant for us as we take a look on that dew point scale. It does make quite the difference on these warm days like today. We'll still get into the mid-90s, so don't get me wrong, it's a hot forecast, just not going to be as tough to take. About 96 for the high. Notice the feels like temperatures are about what those actual temperatures are with a drier air mass. So we'll go on through today, mostly sunny sky, nice quiet weather conditions remaining. We look ahead to tomorrow, and we're actually going to see another weak cold front to push through. We start to see it moving in to the northwest by tomorrow morning. Clouds are going to be with that. Maybe a stray shower or two of really light rain, but I think mostly this is a dry front. But we'll see that reinforcement of drier air with this, so it will keep the humidity down as we head into Wednesday and into Thursday as well, which means that if you liked this morning, we get a couple more as we look ahead to the rest of the week. Low temperatures will be there in the upper 60s to the low 70s, as we will keep that humidity on the lower side. So enjoy the mornings. That's the part we can brag about, because the other part we can't brag about is going to be those high temperatures. We get into the weekend, we're seeing that ridge back to the west start to build back closer to us here in North Texas for some hot weekend days. But as we look into the middle to late part of the week next week, maybe some relief, Karen, as we'll see that jet stream to dip. We're also watching the tropics, by the way, the potential for some tropical development late this week that could impact the southeast and produce some heavy rain for them. But for us, we're kind of waiting on any good rain chances in North Texas.
All right, Annalise, thank you so much. Well, the Dallas Cowboys will open their season Thursday against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and there's one super fan